welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Wow, it has been a long time. It's been about, 4 months since I did an episode? Yeah, I think the last episode was episode 71, which was way back in February, and we are now in June. So yeah, that's February, March, April, May. Yep, 4 months. Well, it's like that sometimes, you know. There's not really much to cook. And sometimes, you know, doing these videos is not so convenient. Because, you know, when I make up recipes or when you're hungry, you go in the kitchen, you put something together, and you're not thinking about making a video. But sometimes I did manage to take some pictures of some half-eaten meals. And you can go on my Facebook page and see those pictures of some recipes or some meals that I put together that I did not do a video of because I was so hungry and I just made a meal and ate it. Yeah, my Facebook page is Plush2x Songs, Plush TWO-X Songs, SONGS, or my other page, Nasrat, NOSRAT, Ahmed, AHMED, or you can check out my YouTube page, Plush2x. You don't spell out the 2. So those are some of the pages. Oh, also there's a Plush2x Vegan Kitchen page on Facebook as well. So I haven't uploaded all the episodes on there, so you might have to go on my main page, my profile page, to get, you know, most of the videos. But I am working on updating them and stuff. So yeah, today's recipe is a homemade vegetable soup. Now I didn't make your traditional vegetable soup, you know, with the carrots, the peas. I just decided to put together whatever vegetables that I had, because this is actually from leftover stock, and I like the juice of it, and I just decided to put some vegetables with it and then eat that one. So yeah, I made it out of broccoli and some zucchini, which is squash, the green zucchini. Yeah, it was the stock is actually from some leftover noodles that I had purchased, some pre-made noodles, and there was some leftover juices, and I didn't want to dump it out because I like the flavor, like I said. So I put it in a pot, and I had some steamed broccoli already cooked, and I cut up some zucchinis, and then I tossed them up in the little sauce. Not sauce, it's not sauce, in the broth, and then I just ate it just like that. Now it's very simple. It's not even hard at all, you know. It's really simple to make your own broth if you don't have a pre-made broth from other soups or whatever. Yeah, because it's vegetable broth, you know. I think you can even buy it, I'm not sure, but when you buy it from the store, you know, they add all kinds of other stuff, like, because they're trying to get it to stick, like the bouillon cubes. They probably have, like, I don't even know what they probably have in there, but yeah, it's real simple. Just boil some vegetables, carrots, cabbage, salt and pepper, celery, you know, whatever flavor vegetables that you like. You can mix it up in different combination. Onions, bell pepper, green or red, and you can also stir fry as well to get some juices and flavors out of it. You know, like sauteed onions really brings out a lot of good flavors and stuff. And but yeah, so it's really simple. It's very, very simple. It's not hard at all. Here it is. I would like to decorate my food sometimes. It's so pretty, right? Look. Got my little broccoli in the middle. I have 2 pictures of this. This is the second design. The first design, okay, I kind of want to use my hand. 1 second. The first design, I actually did it like this, where I flipped the, not cucumbers. Technically, it's cucumbers, but it's a smaller version, so it's zucchinis. I had it flipped this way. All of them flipped this way. And it was like a whole different look after I flipped them all. And, you know, just getting decorative and fancy with my food. But when I eat it, I really don't do all that. I only do this for the pictures and the videos, you know. It's a pretty presentation, you know. It's not a restaurant, technically. I mean, I do call it a vegan kitchen, but, you know, some fanciness is what I do. And I'm very creative, and I said I'm going to extend it to my food. Doesn't just have to be delicious. It can be pretty as well. Because some people, they are good in decoration, but the stuff that they cook is not delicious. It just looks good, but it doesn't taste good. So overall, your food should taste good. That should be the main, what's it called? There. That should be your main I can't even get the word out. That should be your main point in cooking, making the food taste good. So yeah, that's all. Stay tuned for more recipes with Plush2x. If I have time to record them because I'm too busy just eating them. But yeah, like last week I had made zucchinis is really good. You can bake them with just about anything. I cut up some zucchinis and I tossed it. I made sauteed. I tossed it up with some other vegetables like cabbage and what else did I add on there? I had some red bell peppers, and I didn't do a picture or a video of that. I didn't get to do any of that one. But yeah, just spur of the moment stuff. And sometimes, like I said, I do catch it and then I take a picture and it's like half-eaten meals. But you still get the recipe and get some delicious food with Plush2x. All right, have a good day. Peace. Mwah.